Hello, my name is Leonardo Patiño Guevara. I study industrial engineer in Virtual 4 and the Iberoamericana University. This is my daily routine. I get up at 5 in the morning. I get a shower and I get dressed. Then I have breakfast and I get the bus to go to work. My job is to make air and noise monitor in the Bogota city. Bogota is such a big city that there exam than I to do my academic activities are finished to work and sit big and I write John at 7 certificate and I have a family time with my wife when they go to sleep. I check the university platform and do the activities. This is my daily routines. Thank you very much.